Let's have a look at a few last things here. So you might have noticed that these wall modules here have a visual artifact here on the top. This is just a problem with the UV mapping. The texture doesn't cover up this corner here. So one thing you could do is you could cover these up with some additional modules. Or again, if you look in the demo folder here under modules complete, you should find another wall in here. Wall C is a little bit thicker, but it does not have this visual artifact here. So let's go ahead and just swap these out. So I'm going to drop wall C here into modules. All right, it's all the way over there. So let's slide this over. And I'm going to get rid of these modules here that have this artifact. And let's see if we can just snap this into place. Let's give it rotation here, 90 degrees. All right. And let's duplicate this and slide it over. All right, looks a little funny in this edge here. So I'm just going to slide all of these over a little bit. Just select them here and just slide them down. Oh, we're looking at the back side of these as well. Okay, so let's rotate these also. Let's rotate those 180. All right, now another thing you might have noticed is that you can see through this gap right here. The easy way to fix that is just to duplicate the walls and put another stack below. So I'll just duplicate and drop these down here. Yeah, their height should snap just fine. Okay, so there we go. That gap should be fine now. Let's just run this and test it out. And again, if you see any other gaps or any other little visual problems with these modules, then obviously you can make adjustments and update those prefabs. Yeah, you can see that gap is gone now. Looks like that's solved. Okay, that looks good. Additional options here include working with additional set dressing kits. You might visit the asset store and find another kit, which is a good thematic match for this project or your own. And beyond this, you can obviously adjust these modules as needed. You can certainly work with your own designs if you've gone through the level design course or the prototyping course. You could try filling out the block-ins that you generated in either of those courses with your finished modular assets. You could try integrating the systems you've created in the prototyping course. You could obviously generate your own storyline and level progression ideas and build a sequence of levels, and certainly integrate your own content as well. So you have a lot of flexibility here with this type of a workflow. I think it's important to remember that when you're working with a modular system, it is critical to get the initial modular kit in place first. You definitely don't want to jump to set dressing or fine-tuning too soon. Definitely ensure that your modules work well together and that you can satisfy the basic requirements of the level layouts that are needed. And then you can always add in those details. So I hope you've enjoyed the course. Have a lot of fun with these. I think you'll really, really enjoy working with modular sets with your own content and beyond.